Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Very useful bit of kit we've just bought in to save making those horrible brake lines where you rip your fingers to bits and also they leak. This system, very cool. It's basically got a banjo in. It's almost like a shower hose where you fit the shower cable in. Okay, they basically screw in to there. So what you're going to do, you're going to pick whatever one you want, whether it's a 30, you know, a straight, a 90, or this is a way of joining two together with a pressure switch, okay, like on your rear brake. This particular one will bolt under your bottom yoke, okay, and that will give you a three-way. Okay, now what you'd normally do with this, you'd have one to go up to your, this will go up, okay, to your brake hose there. Then you'd come out either side with a 90, like that, which would then miss your mud guard. Okay, so they will point downwards. So you got one into two, and also this allows you to fit a no, this doesn't do a brake pressure switch, sorry, talking rubbish. But yeah, this is a three-way, okay, for a more modern bike with the switch built into the switch kit. You know, when you pull your front brake, it's actually in the handlebar controls. Now, hoses available right up to 70 inch. Okay, 70 inch is the biggest one we keep in. But as you can see, cracking bit of system, you know, very, very clever. And as you can see, all the different options. These are different banjos. These are your different shapes of metal hose as well, like your Harley preform, but without being able to take them apart. Okay, these again are your very banjos, washers, you know, different size bolts. That one shouldn't be in there. Now this one is very clever. This actually screws on to here, so that means you can have a solid one with that screwed on, okay, because obviously there's no socket on these, so that will give you a solid mount to whatever you want. Okay, but cracking bit of kit, very, very clever system. Goodridge build line. If you're interested in any great brake hoses, you want any mecking up, or you just want to change yours, give us a call. It's 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.